Hello, I'm James Martin and I'm the president of the Logan Theater, and we've been in here for many years having a look at all of the restoration that's happened, and now we're at the final part of the restoration. This is the auditorium, completely and utterly stripped and ready to go for the reinstall. So this is a very exciting time for us and for the community. And if you look up there, you can see that we still have the balcony up there, and everything has been completely cleared out. We also have, these are where the organ pipes used to go back in the day. And you can also see down here is the green rooms, and this is all going to come back. So we're very excited, and I'm really looking forward to storing this for prosperity. If you'd like to help out, you're welcome to email info@logantheatre.org, and you can spell theatre E-R or R-E, so that's info@logantheatre.org. We're hoping to have this all up and running by certainly September of next year, maybe before then, and we are starting to book acts and movies, and we're also looking for bands as well. So this is going to be a very busy venue. So we are downstairs in the green rooms, which is actually underneath the stage of the theatre. The plan is that we're going to have this as one open green room, as opposed to having little individual rooms as it was back in the day. And then we will have separate bathrooms where people can actually change.